Hi, welcome to 2-Minute Writing Tips. I'm Kirsten and I'm a writer and content strategist. Writing has not always been my primary job. It started out as a side gig for me, and when I fell victim to a corporate downsizing several years ago, I decided to throw everything into the ring and write full-time. And over the years, a lot of people have asked me, how do you do that? How do you give up corporate employment that pays the bills to go into something that is at times uncertain? There are many elements to consider, but since I only have about 90 seconds left, I'll just give you my number one piece of advice. If you don't have a blog, start one and then post to it regularly. Why? There are several advantages. Number one, it keeps you writing. If you want people to pay for your writing, you have to be a good writer. And you cannot be a good writer without staying in practice. Number two, it's an easy way to build up a portfolio of work that you can show to potential clients. Number three, your own blog space is the best place for you to experiment and discover what kinds of writing you enjoy and what you're best at. Number four, as your blog grows, businesses and other bloggers will start to notice you. You could be asked to review books or products, you could be invited to write guest posts on other blogs, and some companies will even pay you just for including a link to their website on one of your blog posts. And number five, managing a blog gives you opportunities to practice using keywords and SEO, planning your content, sourcing images for your posts, all things that are part of being a freelance writer. In another video, I will talk about the steps to creating a great blog. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.